Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this bag is from. Alright. Looks like I've got a mixed bag of tricks here. Hold that thought. Whoa. And everything went flying. Hold that thought. Okay, we're good now. We're good. Okay, this is from ColorfulDIY. And this is we're going to start with the diamond painting. It was $7.99. Of course, it comes in one of these plastic bags. At least this one doesn't really fit this. So, I'm thrilled sick. Yeah, I still don't like them, but at least I can get it back in the bag. Alright, so this is a special drill diamond painting of a kitty cat. Isn't that pretty? I don't think I can. No. I go. No. There we go. Yeah. But I thought it was gorgeous. And it is a partial. Hang on. Everything's falling left and right here. But yeah. Just absolutely beautiful. Look at all them drills. This will take a hot moment. It's got big and small drills and everything and all in stuff. It's got 15 different drills. They're all special drills. It is a 50 by 40. Now I have another cat that has special drills, and it's like twice this size. It's probably 60 by 70, 60 by 80 maybe. I haven't done it yet. Yeah, no. But I got it a long, long time ago, back when I first started, and it has all kinds of drills. Let's see. Oh yes, very, very sticky. Just very beautiful. Look at all the flowers. Yeah, this is going to be a joy. Yeah. May have to start this one and finish it. Let's see. Where's my tape measure? It's supposed to be 50 by 40. We'll give you an approximation here. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all doing well. Yep, 50 by... I can get a hold of it. By 40, yep. Got a stickiness right there. But it's okay, it's on the edge for some reason. But yeah, I just thought this would be just stunning. I just loved it. It does come with a toolkit. Wax boat, pen, yep. See if I can get it out. We can see all the pretty drills. Turn it over. Ooh, look at those fancy stars. Aren't those cool? I'm trying. Oh, come on. Be nice. Okay, there we go. So we got some starlight drills. We got pink. We've got some teardrops that look like peacock feathers. You got some little bitty red teardrops and some green, real pale green marquise. You have orange teardrops that are iridescent. You have round buttons that are just regular. Not regular, but they're kind of a semi-opaque. Then you have silver, and you have some yellows. You have some pearl, round ones. And some pinks, some more red, some emerald green, some yellows. You got 2 of those. And some orange. So, yeah, this will be beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm just going to see if I can fold this up. And this was only $7.99. And I like these special drills because they don't take very long. This might take a little bit of a hot moment, but for the most part, they're not that hard or take that long. It's not like you're doing a full drill. So yeah, I can hardly wait to start that one. I should get my other one out and do it as well. I think I got it from, I don't know if it was Hulacan or Mian store. I don't remember. I got it from AliExpress. I'm pretty sure about that. Alright, whoops, let's put the kit with it. So let's get on to the cross stitch. Now, this one is a 30 by 43, I believe, and it was $6.99. And it's from this cross stitch company that I have no name, no idea. Never seen this brand before. But isn't that beautiful? Oh, yeah, just absolutely love it. It is an 11 count. See if I can pull everybody out of there. Set that over there. Let's see what's on this side. So you got your pages. This has 31 colors. I had to look. And it's broke down a little bit different. I don't know if these will match, you know, anything or not. We'll look here in a minute. But yeah, nice, big, easy to read pattern. Very nice. Let's take a look. Does have, oh, there may be another one floating since this one is trying to leave. Oh, there are two. There are two. They usually give you two needles. So we got greens to start out with. 31 colors, I'm sorry. Evidently the other one is in back stitching, maybe? I don't know. It's 31. I thought I said 30. I'm pretty messed up this week. What can I say? I can't remember 5 minutes to the next. So lots of blues and reds. You have corals. You have bittersweet oranges, bright yellow, and like a yellow orange. Some more greens. So lots of beautiful, beautiful colors. This is a partial. It is an 11 count. So there's not a whole lot of thread here. Let's see here if I can get it. Now this key is very hard to read. You can't tell. I've never had this kind before. It just has a product number down here at the bottom. Doesn't say how big it is on the canvas anywhere. But it is pretty. But it's going to be a little... And it's not confetti. It's just going to take you a hot moment to figure out where all the... everything is. So, yeah, it'll be a little different. Just a little bit different. And the numbers are really hard to read on this key here. But for the most part, it's just solid colors for the symbols. So, yeah, you might have to refer to your page. But it's not very big. So let's see what it is. It is 43.5 that way, and 37 that way. What did I say it was? 38 by 43. Actual picture size is 12 inches or 30.5. That was weird. And it is 14 inches, a little over 14 inches. So 14 by what? By 12. Yeah, you might not get that in an 11 by 14. I don't know. They had to make it that half a centimeter too big. But for the most part, this part's printed well. It's just a little difficult to see the different colors. So if you get confused, you can just go to your paper pattern and take a look. This might be the one and only that I've ever had to use a paper pattern for, because they're not printed real dark. I don't know. It's odd. What can I say? We'll find a time to start that one. Now, this one, I wasn't real sure about. You know how you look at a picture and maybe that's okay. Well, maybe, yeah. I was on the fence about this one. Has lots of beautiful colors, though. Get rid of the plastic, so sorry. And this one was $13.99. It's 65 by 47. Does come with a paper pattern that will match your canvas. And it is 2 Phoenix. Yeah. I couldn't tell by the picture whether or not it's going to be okay or not. Does have a lot of big areas. Yeah. Okay, it does have the product number. And it does not say that it's a 60 by whatever it was. What did I say? Jeez, now I can't remember. 65 by 47, it doesn't say that. It just gives you how many squares per square. So open it up and see how many thousand colors this one has. Alright. Has 34 colors. Nice, easy to read pattern. And there are some great big areas. I don't see a whole lot of confetti. So most of this is big areas. Yep. Okie dokie. Well, when you feel like just stitching, don't change colors, just stay with one color, this is your puppy. Yeah, because it does not have a lot of confetti at all, just maybe through the Phoenixis, because that's the only thing that's going to be defined in this. I don't know about any of the background stuff or not. I'm not disappointed because I was ready for it. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Sometimes it's like, I don't know how that's going to translate to cross stitch. But, yeah. We'll see. Let's take a look at these colors. It does come with a toolkit. We got the puppies. We got the puppies today. Oh no, I'll hold it real still. Yep. We got puppies. No, I'm glad I don't have a puppy. Yep, no, Molly's good enough. We are good. I don't chase babies and I don't chase dogs and cats. Yeah. So, we got a few colors here. You've got, what is this? 823. 823. Nope, this has got to be 825. 3. Nope, 939. I lied. And you got 2939. You got 2823. That's going to be your background. Can't hardly tell them apart, can you? Well, you can see it better in the camera than I can. This is 823. This is 939. And then you have this lovely dark royal blue, 796. 796. So you got 2 of those. Oh, and we got one. What is its problem? Oh my goodness. It is 797. You could probably read it faster than I could think it. Beautiful blues. Let's take a look at these beautiful colors. 90% of it, like I said, is background, so that's where all that's going. Hang on. We're trying. Look at the purples and the blues. And over here we have turquoise and teals. There's your... That's probably 939. Because here's your colors. If they only have one thread, that means you have a hank. Unless it's just for one little spot or something. But 90% of the time, that's what that is. It's a pretty green. So, yeah, lots of beautiful, bright, vivid colors. Let's hope they all turn out. You know. Poke and hope here, people. Poke and hope. Because I'm not sure. We'll just have to start on the Phoenixis and mess and forget the background. I don't know. Don't know how that's going, but you know I will not start with the background. That's pretty much a given. Let's take a look at the canvas. The canvas is serged all the way around. And it is this way. Very nicely printed. I don't see any smears. Now this key is much easier to see. Very nice. And it does have, up here, it has the product number and also how many squares per square, but it doesn't say how many centimeters it is. Let's see how big this is. It's fair size, you know, but I'm going to start with Phoenixis. Period. Yeah. Is it Phoenixis or Phoenixis? I'm trying to make it like, I don't know. You know what I meant. I think it's Phoenixis, right? Yeah. We went through this before. It's like, what is the plural of phoenix? Phoenix is a plural. It's like mice. Yeah, never mind. Fell down a rabbit hole there, didn't we? Okay, 65 centimeters by 47.5 centimeters. Actual picture size is 16 inches or 40.5 centimeters by 23 3/4 inches or 60 centimeters. Right? Good Lord. One more time, Laura Jean. 23 1/4 or 59 centimeters. Yeah. Whew. Man, that was difficult. But it is very well printed. I like that it is serged all the way around. If that's not a have-to-have, it doesn't bother me. One way or another, whether or not it is serged or not. Sometimes I wish that they would serge the, what do you call it? The even weave fabric that I get. Sometimes it gets serged, sometimes not so much. I think they serge more of the smaller ones because they figure you got a bunch of material. I'm not sure. But yeah, that would help. And I'm not about the hand sewing it all the way around and down. No. No. All right. So that, hang on. Got to get everybody folded up. Lay that up there so it doesn't crunch. That is it from ColorfulDIY. They do have free shipping on orders over $69. If they have any specials, I'll put that in the description below. They have diamond painting and cross stitch and embroidery. They have tools and crafts for both. They always have a great selection and always great prices. So do check them out. They have been like a dark horse for me. I've never heard of them before, and I have gotten stuff from them 2, 3, maybe 3 or 4 times now. So I am really pleased and happy with the way things come, the way things are packaged. And normally everything would come fairly fast. Within 2 weeks is what it takes here in the United States to get stuff from China. Barring the fact that we had Chinese New Year and then we had my post office screwed up. So we're here. Here we are. So it probably took about 14 days. So I got this a little bit later because of, you know, the post office being the post office here. I'm not talking about yours or anybody else's, but ours is like a mess. So thank you for joining me. Thank you, ColorfulDIY, for sending me these beautiful, beautiful kits and the diamond painting. I love that diamond painting. I want to start it, but I don't. Yeah, okay, yeah. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Yeah, you know me. Got to start all the things. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me once again. I do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. God bless.